First start of the 21 season, right?
Yeah. Should be ready for race season.
Hasn't been fired all winter. It's not going to be ready for race season right now. So we're going to do first start of the 2021 season. And then do a walk around, introduce the car to the channel. And I imagine on the next video, I'll be pulling the transmission out of it.
Yep.
Because it's something.
Toast.
Alright, let's see if it'll fire up. It's open headers. Sounds like crap.
Ready?
Yep. Are you pumping at all?
Yeah. Saving more gas in the cob. In the cob.
Well, it kind of sort of wanted to go, so there's some more fuel down the toilet.
Make it happen.
Yeah. Alright, hold on. Doesn't look like we're getting much fuel up here in the filter. Just keeps running off of whatever we're pouring down it. Yeah, it's working its way up there, but looks like when you're going to try to keep it alive, you're pumping way too much throttle into it instead of just kind of opening up it a little bit. I can see it pumping. It's not pumping great, but go ahead.
You want me to crank it?
Yeah. Yeah, it don't look like it's pumping much fuel. Give her a rev. Give her a rev. Cleaning the garage floor for me. Sure, if you will. Alrighty, here's the walk around portion of the video. 86 Camaro, probably already told you that. Got a cow hood on it now. It's only a little dirty. Gotta get that low perspective. Some nice Jegs wheels. The best part of this car is probably the interior, and let me just... Oh, aerodynamic. You don't need mirrors. Just go ahead and look at that magic, all from a button. Got a nice little skull sketching, flame throwing. You know, it doesn't get any better than this.
Gauges, you got your switches, interior. I don't know if you can see the sun visor, but it's nice. All the parts that we're going to show you putting on this car. That's going to be fun. You know. Oh. This side, it's got the normal problem. This side's not all that bad, but shoo-wee. Is that side bad or what? We're not going to show you fixing that because we're not going to fix it. There's the rear end of the beast. Look at them tires, though. And they're nice. Got a hook and book. Passenger side of the car. Get that low perspective. It's a nice car. Non-stop work, though. Oh, nothing there. Nice little. The paint matching is just incredible. Incredible. It's got a little bit of peel. Just don't have to look at that. But that's that. Z28 version. Headlights and everything work. Windshield wiper blades kind of work. It runs kind of. It drives kind of. It's kind of a car. Back to the interior. It's the best part of the car. That cow hood again. Gotta love the cow hood. Oh, and this version's got the third brake light. Oh. Just stepped in mud. But yeah, we'll have future videos on the car. Next video will probably be pulling the transmission out because it's junk. Gotta get it rebuilt. What? You can't have way too much in a third-gen Camaro. Probably around.
Something running and driving. Yeah.
Probably around
Easily.
$5,500.
Easily could have bought something running and driving.
I think it's probably around $5,500. Bought it for $2,200.
$700 for the engine.
$700 for the engine. Around.
$400 for all the UMI parts.
Yep, that are not even on the car yet. Let's see if we can get a better picture of that. Sorry about the shoof. That's what you get for living in the country, all this dirt. But you see the.
Can't exactly wash it right now. It's still February.
Yeah, it is February. Very nice weather for February. Look at the license plate. Whew, man, doesn't get any better than this. There we go. All these parts. It's gonna be a fun time. Got your transmission holder up dealio 6000. The mufflers that might do something. Might.
Probably not.
Probably not. But you can just say, hey, it's got mufflers on it.
I gotta wire up the temperature gauge and.
Yep, temperature gauge.
And have to rewire the fans now.
Yeah.
Again.
We realized the fans weren't working and they melted the fuse box, so gotta put fuse box in it.
Did you show them the B&M star shifter?
I don't think I did. It's just non-stop with this car.
It's non-stop 1990s.
Can you see that? What'd you just look at? Just look at.
Star shifter.
Yeah, it don't get any better than that. I mean, look at it. Well, I'm not even sure if I showed you the Z flame throwing Z. My gosh, dang it, brother. Roll down windows. None of that electric bull crap.
Roll down and then crank.
Yeah, same thing.
Were you born?
2004.
Show them the missing plastic up here.
Yeah, skip over that.
Oh, no rust though.
Yeah.
Here. Overall, the car doesn't have any rust.
Mm-mm.
Here.
Yeah, we're just not gonna look at it.
Floorboards are solid.
I mean,
Mechanics are solid.
that's a nice car.
That is a nice car.
I just wish it ran and didn't leak and drove.
Kind of drives. You rev it high enough, it kind of pops into gear.
Yeah. So there will be future videos on this. How soon, I don't know. Hopefully soon. Hopefully we'll be at the racetrack this year, but never know. As much work as it goes. Probably not. And probably not next year. So like, subscribe if you want to see more videos of this. Gotta get that low perspective. Makes it look much better. That's what the old man says.
Did you tell him what engine's in it? A V6, 3.1, right?
Yep, V6. I mean, it sounds just like a V6, doesn't it?
Yeah. Sounds like a V6 that's got a dead cylinder.
He said it sounds like a V6 that has a dead cylinder. I don't think it'll pick you up.
Oh, okay.
Nope, V8, 355. Supposedly 355.
Yep.
With a small cam.
Likes to smoke.
Yep, so it's probably a 350, blown up, no cam.
Likes to smoke them Winston or Marlboro.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
It looks more like a vapor.
That's a vape.
Yeah.
Vape kind of 350.
Like, subscribe. Be more videos on this.
Fired right up. They gonna fire it back up? Sure. Ain't no mullet there. Well, mommy and daddy won't let you have a mullet.
No.
Because it look like crap. Can't believe it just fired right up. I do feel like with some exhaust it'll sound pretty good.
Oh, yeah. She's got tons of horsepower.
No, I said it sound good. I didn't say it'll be powerful.
No, it's got power. I can feel it.
No, it doesn't. No.
It goes right in the drive.
Did it?
Yeah.
And then you didn't have to rev it or anything?
It's just reverse.
Hmm.
You filming this?
Yep. This is why you don't shave your door handles, you
No.
young pups. I don't even know if that's a thing anymore. I think everybody leaves their door handles on because it's too much of a hassle.
Hassle? You see how smooth I made that one?
It's incredible.